Welcome to FieldServicely's Elite Plan. In this video, we will go through a few select features that will help you get started with FieldServicely. To better guide you, we have divided this video into 3 sections. In the first section, we will go through the owner/admin side of the system. The second section will show how technicians on the move can use it from the mobile app. And the final section will show how, from the web app, you can see and track the jobs your technicians worked on. You will be amazed to know just how much you can get done with FieldServicely. Without further ado, let us start with the tutorial. The first thing you will need to do is add employees or technicians to your organization. Your first instance of adding employees comes when you are going through the sign-up process. The other instances come once you have signed up. By going to the Members tab from the left sidebar, you can find the option to add more members on the top right of the page. Here, simply add their email address and click on Send Invitation. Your employees will receive an email regarding joining the organization. For members to accept this invitation, it is quite simple. All they have to do is accept the invite sent to their email address, provide their names, and set a password for their account. Once done, they can use the credentials to log in from the device they use. Once they have gone through the process in the email, you will see their names in the Members tab. You can also upload a CSV file of all the emails by clicking on Upload a CSV. From here, you need to download our template and fill it in with the email addresses of your employees. Once your members have joined the organization, the next step is to add customers. Customers are the people you will provide the services to, and these customers are who the jobs are going to be leveraged against. To add customers, you can either use the Quick Actions feature or go to Customers and click the Add Customer button on the top right. You will need to provide the customer name, their email address, their contact number, and their service location. You can add multiple locations to one customer. Click the Add Customer button once you have provided all the information, and the customer will be added. Another way to add customers is to bulk upload them through the Import Customer option. Download our template, fill it in with the information needed, and then upload it into the system. The customers will be imported and shown in the customer list. Now comes one of the important parts of your work process: creating jobs. You can do so from either the Quick Actions, Schedule, or the All Jobs module under Jobs. Click on Create Job to open the job creation form. Here, you need to add the job name, choose the customer the job is being created for, choose service location, provide a description, choose your assignees, choose job start date, the start time and end time, and if it is a recurring job, click the Recurring Schedule button and choose how you want the job to repeat and the end date. You can also give your employees the freedom to choose when to check into the job by clicking Any time this day. If you want, you can also add line items for all materials needed for this job and enable evidences for them should you need visual confirmation. Finish the process by choosing a theme to color coordinate your job, then click Create Job. On the other hand, if this is a job you want to schedule later, you can mark it as Later and hit the Create Job button. With the jobs now created, you can see them on the scheduling calendar, and by clicking on the Unscheduled bar on the right side, you can see your unscheduled job, which you can drag onto the scheduling calendar once you decide when you want it to be worked on. By assigning jobs to your employees and having them work on them, you can track their attendance, timesheets, and payroll, as well as find evidence for the jobs they have finished and raise invoices from the jobs they have completed, giving you the ability to manage a complete field service management package from a single application. But before that, I will show you how your employees can begin this tracking process for their assigned work by using our mobile app. FieldServicely supports both Android and iOS, so just go to the respective marketplace page and download it. Or you can click on the mobile app option under See More. It will take you to the page where you can find the links for the app download. With the app downloaded, your employees will now be able to log in through the credentials they have set up for themselves. Once logged in, the first thing they will see is the dashboard, where they can see statistics of their overall job. If you notice the top left, you will see 3 bars for our menu. Through it, navigation to other features of the mobile app is possible. The mobile app allows your employees to keep track of their timesheets and add manual timesheets if necessary. See the shifts assigned to them. See jobs assigned to them, see the jobs they are assigned to on a map view, and see their attendance. It is recommended that your employees turn on their notifications on their mobile app so they are always alerted to any updates through the mobile app. Now, let us proceed through the FieldServicely mobile app. Starting a job with FieldServicely is simple. Simply go to the Job section and from the calendar, choose the day of the job you wish to start. Long press on the designated area of the job you need to check into it. Once checked in, you will start getting the timesheet, live location, and other data. Once the job is completed, check out of the job. Your employee will be prompted to submit evidence in either an image format or an audio format, with the bonus of adding a note and even an evidence in the line items. Once these have been submitted, the job will be sent for approval. Now, if your employee wants to see which jobs of theirs have been approved, they can see this approved section. They can also see their missed jobs and jobs that have been rejected. The job approval section will show you the submitted job. When you click on it, you will be able to see the evidence that was sent in. Once you have checked them all, you can choose to either approve or reject the job. With the job completed, you can view the duration worked on that job in Timesheets. And if you move to Payroll, you can see the amount owed to that particular employee for the job they have completed. Attendance will show you how long your employee has been active during the day, based on the time spent clocked into the jobs they have worked on. The invoice will allow you to raise invoices for jobs completed. Just select the customer and the job, and the line items will be brought into the invoice. Make sure all is okay, and then just send it to your customer. Another handy feature that FieldServicely offers is route optimization to optimize routes for your employees, should they have a few jobs assigned to them on a single day. With this, you have a basic understanding of how you can use FieldServicely for your business. But this is not the only way you can use our software. For further queries about your specific workflow and how FieldServicely can be used with it, contact support through our live chat, support email, or by booking a call with us.